Having the right Samsung phone can completely change your cell phone experience. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best Samsung phones so you'll never have to suffer through poor connections or missing features again. The issue is that a phone might work great for one person, but might not be the best for you, because most phones are not made with the same people in mind, which is why I made sure to include options for all types of situations, so regardless of what you're looking for, I'll have the perfect Samsung phone for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. First on my list is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, my choice for the best overall Samsung phone. The S23 Ultra looks and feels premium with its refined matte finish, sleek lines, and sturdy frame. The display on the Ultra is mind-blowing. It uses Samsung's new dynamic AMOLED 2x screen and has a QHD Plus resolution. Plus, it's 120Hz, so whether you're watching video, scrolling social media, or gaming, it is super smooth and stutter-free. The S23 Ultra really sets the bar high for smartphones in 2023. Inside the S23 Ultra is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which promises blazing fast performance. The 5,000 mAh battery holds the power you need, and with the enhanced AI power management system, it gets you through the day without a hitch. It houses a quad camera setup at the back, which includes the jaw-dropping 200 megapixel primary sensor plus 2 megapixel telephoto lenses and a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens. With this diverse set of lenses, you're ready to capture stunning images and video no matter the situation. Its enhanced night mode uses AI to stitch together multiple shots, providing you with a well-exposed image even in the darkest of situations. Now, when it comes to video, the S23 Ultra shoots 8K at 30 frames per second and includes pro-level image stabilization technology. The S23 Ultra does come with an S Pen, offering the same level of precision and responsiveness as always. And it has been upgraded, so now it's built right into the phone's body, which is a much appreciated refinement. If the S23 Ultra appeals to you but is a bit over your budget, you'll want to check out the S23 later in the video. It has many of the same features, but they're scaled back a bit, so it's more affordable. Overall, when it comes to Samsung phones, it doesn't get better than the Galaxy S23 Ultra. It's got everything: an amazing display, solid battery life, and a ridiculously powerful camera system and software that just ties it all together. Next on my list is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 is a really versatile phone. It's easy to use with one hand with its 6.2-inch cover screen. With both hands, it unfolds to an amazing 7.6-inch screen, and if you're busy and need to go hands-free, just fold it and sit it down. The cover display on the Z Fold 4 is a punchy dynamic AMOLED 2x panel, and when you unfold the device, you get a massive, vibrant 7.6-inch main display that's also dynamic AMOLED 2x. Both screens are 120Hz, making them smooth as butter whether you're scrolling through social media or playing the latest games. Now, when it comes to durability, the Z Fold is built with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, so the cover and back are ready to resist scrapes and scratches, and the phone is reinforced with a tough aluminum frame to protect the folds from damage. We're looking at a triple camera setup at the back, a 50 megapixel standard lens, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and 10 megapixel 3x telephoto to give you the versatility to capture your world however you see fit. And let's not forget about the selfie cameras, a 10 megapixel one on the cover and the 4 megapixel one on the main display. Under the hood, the Z Fold 4 is powered by the Snapdragon chipset coupled with 12 gigabytes of RAM. This means it's going to be fast, responsive, and able to handle just about any task you throw at it. And with up to 1 terabyte of storage, you've got plenty of space for all your apps, games, and files. For the S Pen fans out there, while the pen isn't included with this phone, it's fully compatible with it. Let's not forget about battery life. The Z Fold 4 is packing a 4400 mAh battery. It's enough to get you through a full day of heavy use, and with fast charging, you won't have to wait long to get back to a full charge. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is a top-tier smartphone that doubles as a mini tablet. It's super versatile to give you ultimate flexibility. With its high-quality screens, top-notch camera, and great storage, the Z Fold 4 is an amazing choice. Next on my list is the Samsung Galaxy S23, my choice for the best Samsung phone for most people. Samsung S23 is a handsome phone with a streamlined design, a matte finish on the back, and with natural dyes infused into the metal frame in 6 different colors to suit your style. It's more than just good looking, it feels premium and sturdy in the hand, giving you the confidence that this phone can take what life throws at it. Plus, it's IP68 level water resistant, meaning it can be fully submerged in almost 5 feet of water for up to 30 minutes without any problem. The display is nothing short of gorgeous. The Galaxy S23 boasts an impressive 6.1-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. The display is full HD with HDR at 1200 nits. Watching videos, playing games, or simply scrolling through social media is a joy on this phone. Under the hood, the S23 sports the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset just like the S23 Ultra, so the performance is smooth, snappy, and top of the line. Coupled with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, it'll handle most all tasks with ease. And the S23 comes with a 39,000 mAh battery, ensuring all-day usage even with heavy usage. While the storage and battery aren't on par with the S23 Ultra, they're still really solid and fine for most people. The camera has a 50 megapixel primary sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 10 megapixel telephoto lens in its rear camera setup. The pictures are crisp, vibrant, and packed with detail. Whether it's a quick snap or a detailed landscape, this camera system does not disappoint. The Samsung Galaxy S23 delivers on all fronts, from design to performance, making it a standout choice for most people. It has a gorgeous display, smooth performance, and a first-rate camera. It's a phone that easily fits most people's needs. And if you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Next up on my list is the Samsung Galaxy A53, my choice for the best Samsung phone for the money. The A53 has an outstanding set of features for the money, starting with its incredible display. It has a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. This means smooth scrolling and an enjoyable experience when gaming or watching videos. It features vivid outdoor visibility of up to 800 nits while reducing blue light with the Eye Comfort Shield. This phone is great for viewing in all conditions. The Galaxy A53 has a quad camera setup on the back, which is headlined by a 64 megapixel main sensor. It takes sharp, vibrant photos with excellent detail. The ultra-wide and macro lenses also do a great job, offering versatility in your photography. It has image stabilization to make sure every image is crystal clear, and the AI-based image enhancer automatically enhances your photos so you can upgrade your images right away. With its 5,000 mAh battery, you can get up to 18 hours of video review or internet use time on a single charge. Combine that with fast charging support and you'll have a phone that's ready to go whenever you need it. The Galaxy A53 5G has a sleek design and it's lightweight and comfortable to hold. Rated IP67 for water and dust resistance, the A53 stands up to 1 meter of fresh water for up to 30 minutes. With additional protection from Gorilla Glass 5, it is tough and less prone to scratches. The Galaxy A53 5G gives you 128GB built-in storage with an additional 1TB of expansion with the microSD card, so it gives you tons of room to hold on to all of your memories. The Samsung Galaxy A53 is the best Samsung for your money and a top value phone on the market overall. With its fantastic camera, excellent display, storage options, and battery life, the A53 5G really ticks all the boxes. You can't go wrong with this phone. And lastly, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is another standout foldable phone, and this one is all about portability and style without compromising on performance. The innovative design, along with the robust hinge mechanism of the phone, make it cool looking, functional, and durable. When you fold it, it kind of transforms into this compact, pocket-friendly shape, and when you unfold it, you're greeted with a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x display, which is just super. superb. The colors are vibrant, the blacks are deep, and with 120Hz refresh rate, scrolling feels ultra smooth. Getting that post-worthy solo shot is easy with the Z Flip 4 because it stands on its own. You can put the Galaxy Z Flip 4 in flex mode and capture hands-free selfies, record your dance moves, and never worry about your makeshift tripod falling over again. Plus, flex mode makes two things at once a breeze. Connect with friends on the top while finding the perfect picture to post on the bottom. It comes with a dual camera setup at the back. Both lenses are 12 megapixels and they shoot impressive photos and video. The night mode on this device has seen a considerable upgrade and low light photography is genuinely impressive. We've also got a 10 megapixel selfie camera which does a great job overall. The Z Flip 4 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset paired with 8GB of RAM for a smooth lag-free experience, and of course the 5G connectivity future-proofs your device. The battery life on the Flip 4 is solid. It's a 3700 mAh battery, which might not sound impressive, but considering the efficiency of the Snapdragon, it gets you up to 16 hours of moderate use. All in all, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 packs a ton of cool features into a sleek, foldable design. It's a solid performer and represents a terrific blend of style, functionality, and innovation. If you guys like this video or learned something, please give it a like and be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. That's all. Till next time.